We all know you cannot have enough piano sounds, so this free upright piano plugin of 99 Sounds is very welcome. We checked it out and here's the short review. First, let me ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you subscribe, we will keep you updated on all the hardware and software we review. The upright piano of 99 Sounds is a very simple plugin, but it offers a great piano sounds for free. Every piano sounds different, so it's good to have several piano sounds available in your DAW to choose the one that fits best in your music. The piano plugin is available for 32 and 64-bit Windows and also for Mac. You can get this plugin by visiting the 99 Sounds website and select the VST plugins in the menu. You will find the upright piano there. All you have to do now is click on the download button, which will lead you to a page where you have to buy the plugin for $0. On the next page you have to fill in your email address and you can tag if you want to be placed on the mailing list. After you clicked on the continue button, you will receive an email with a link to the download page. There you see all versions that can be downloaded, so you can choose which one you need and download the zip file. When you download the normal VST for 32 or 64-bit Windows computers, you have to copy the DLL file and the folder with the sounds to the folder on your computer where you have installed all the other plugins so your DAW can find them. The VST3 always needs to be copied on the same folder, which is C/program files/common files/VST3. After you have copied the files, you can open your DAW and drag the plugin to one of your tracks. The basic sound is a dry upright piano, which is great for recording. The controls you see are the attack and release that will change the length of the sound. In the middle you see the tremolo effect, which can be set to affect the pitch, the volume or the panorama of the sound. Next you see the dampen controller, which works like a low-pass filter, so you can remove high frequencies. And we see the reverb controller, but you can always add one of your own reverb from your own DAW. Totally at the right you see the master volume and the keys controller, which adds some sounds when you release your note. It sounds a bit like the hammer is going back to its first position. All in all, a very usable sound that really sounds like an upright. More information and the download link can be found below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep you updated on all the reviews we do.